Hey everyone, welcome back to Have the Money Mindset. If you're tired of trading your time for money and ready to build streams of income that work for you, even when you're sleeping, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 7 passive income ideas to try in 2025. These are realistic, actionable, and perfect for anyone looking to start or expand their income streams. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly define passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort after the initial setup. Think of it as setting up a system once and then letting it generate cash flow over time. It's not about getting rich overnight, it's about creating financial freedom over the long term. With that in mind, let's explore 7 of the best passive income ideas for 2025. 1. Invest in dividend stocks. First up, we have dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, usually every quarter. It's one of the simplest and most reliable ways to earn passive income. All you need to do is invest in stable, dividend-paying companies. Think giants like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Microsoft. For example, if a company offers a 4% annual dividend and you invest $10,000, you'll earn $400 annually without lifting a finger. The best part? You can reinvest those dividends to grow your portfolio even faster. To get started, check out platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity and look for companies with a consistent track record of dividend payouts. 2. Create and sell digital products. Next up, creating and selling digital products. This is perfect for creative minds who want to share their talents with the world. Digital products include things like ebooks, templates, printables, or online courses. For example, you could create a budgeting spreadsheet, a social media calendar, or even a course teaching a skill like photography or coding. Once it's created, you can sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. What's great about this idea is that after the initial effort of creating the product, it becomes a self-sustaining income stream as people continue to buy it. 3. Start a YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube can be a passive income goldmine if done right. Once you upload a video, it can generate revenue for years through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Pick a niche you're passionate about, like finance, fitness, or gaming, and create valuable content around it. The key to success is consistency and understanding your audience's needs. Don't forget that YouTube also allows you to monetize through memberships and merchandise once you build a loyal audience. While it takes time to gain traction, the passive potential is enormous once your channel is established. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate is one of the most popular ways to build wealth, but buying a property outright can be expensive. That's where real estate crowdfunding comes in. With platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can invest as little as $500 into real estate projects and start earning returns from rental income or property appreciation. These platforms handle the property management for you. It's an IMO, making it a truly passive investment. If you're looking for a low-barrier way to dip your toes into real estate, this is a fantastic option. 5. Build an automated dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without keeping inventory. Instead, when someone buys from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. To make this passive, you'll need to automate as much as possible. Use tools like Shopify and Oberlo to set up your store and automate order processing. Once your store is up and running, focus on driving traffic through paid ads or organic social media content. While it takes some upfront effort to set up, a well-run dropshipping store can become a steady source of passive income. 6. Rent out your assets. Did you know you can earn passive income by renting out things you already own? For example, rent out your car on platforms like Turo. Rent out a spare room or property on Airbnb. Even rent out tools, cameras, or other equipment on sites like Fat Llama. This is a great way to turn underutilized assets into cash flow. Just make sure to protect yourself with proper insurance and agreements. 7. Start a print-on-demand business. Last but not least, consider starting a print-on-demand business. This is where you design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and a third-party company prints and ships them when someone places an order. You can use platforms like Printful or Printify to handle the logistics while you focus on designing and marketing. Combine this with a platform like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website, and you've got a business that runs itself after setup. The best part? There's no upfront inventory cost, so it's low risk. Now that you've seen these 7 ideas, how do you choose the right one? Here are 3 quick tips. 1. Assess your skills and interests. Pick something you're passionate about or skilled in. This will make the initial setup much easier. 2. Consider your budget. Some ideas like dividend investing require capital, while others, like creating digital products, need more time than money. 3. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself. Pick one idea, test it, and scale it as you gain confidence. Remember, the goal is to create a system that works for you, not to overwhelm yourself with multiple projects at once. Passive income is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful way to take control of your financial future. The ideas I shared today, whether it's dividend investing, creating digital products, or starting a YouTube channel, are all proven ways to build wealth over time. The key is to start. You don't need to be perfect or have everything figured out. Just take that first step, and over time, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe to Have the Money Mindset for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Drop a comment below and let me know which passive income idea you're excited to try in 2025. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building that money mindset.